What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So finally the on vacation, so they under one coconut tree go and chillax. You know what I mean? Enjoy some cool breeze and all this out the beautiful birds and different type of animals. Yeah, man. And go and build our vibes also, So the vacation along is all about develop the farm more, So I don't know. Me is a hard worker, so I come develop the farm how I really want it. Yeah, man. Me have a number of things to do. Yeah, man. So I have to make a top class farmer bird link up. Yeah, that depend the list. Yeah, man, me have a cucumber, watermelon, and okra for prepare land for plant. Yeah, so that's what the vacation is all about. Yeah, man, and we have support of a link. We will fly down from USA. USA in one me come deal with the farm for him. Yeah, man, because he have one farm and he want me to come deal with something for him, yeah? So he want me and he run a project together. So I want to link him up one of the days. So me keep you guys posted. Yeah, man, me have a whole heap of things to deal with, man. 3-week vacation. It's so long, but it's really short. Yeah, so me start do some things already. Yeah, man, put some things in a place already, and the pop chai them are go on really good. Yeah, so we kinda extend the field. Yeah, man. Kinda extend the pop chai field. Me show the what go on with the pop chai them. And we have the cob, the restructure. Yeah, man. Need to pull it down and build it up back. We have the flooring for cars off because what really happen, mangoes dig under and come up under the dirt. So they have our cars off the bottom. So when we see what go on a day-to-day basis. Yeah, man. So we want to link up the support of one of the day them link up top class. You know that's a must. So link up top class because teamwork make the dream work, yeah? Why help him do some things. Yeah, man. Well, the little things we have plant and sucker for transplant. Yeah, so as you can see, yeah, man, we kinda relax, well clean from them, well clean at the farm. So I want to go on the road go run some errands, and we don't know if I'll come back with this on the farm this day. So we just have to know what I go on the farm, yeah? And what I go on with me. So we have the woodland to take on again, guys. So I know we done one phase already, so we have our next phase height to deal with. Yeah, I want to do it right through. Do a right through. I want to clean up the plant and walk. Yeah, man, and the banana. So it's a lot of work to done on the farm, guys. Yeah, which I know I can't do it because me is a self-motivator. Yeah, man, even though some of the time I really don't want to get up too early, and but I have to push myself, I have to give myself that drive there, because I know I have that drive that I can say, yeah, I can do it. Yeah man, so my self-confidence, I have confidence in myself, so I can do all of that in case of 3 weeks. But I don't know, I'm not going to use the whole 3 weeks, every day after 3 weeks. I know I have other things to take care of. So guys, if you really want to see the progress of the farm, if you're not subscribed, yeah man, make sure you subscribe. Click the bell icon so you can be the first one to get the notification whenever we upload a brand new content. Because I know a whole heap of video I go pop up maybe daily or every 2 days. Yeah, I got more and try to see me can do as much videos in case of the 3 weeks, guys. So I know keep on posted and everything. Yeah man, so big up all of my subscribers, and me always say big up who soon come. Yeah man, so I know it's a process for the channel grow. I know remember to share the channel. Yeah man, like and comment also. So as I say, I have a whole heap of work to do. So I have some pine sucker we plant also, guys. Maybe 150 pine sucker me have to plant out. So it's a lot of work. Yeah man, a lot of work to put out. Yeah, so I just hit that. I show you now how I extend the pop chai. The pop chai them. Yeah man.
Subscribe to my channel for more videos.
Yeah, so as you can see guys, that's how far the pop chai goes. Yeah man, they stretch from one end to the other end. Yeah man, that's how, as I didn't say in our previous video guys, what me I gonna do, stretch anything me I plant is like what from one end of the land to the other end of the next land, because what really happen, the new land we get guys is close. It's close by, we just open the fence and we get it in a one. So that's exactly what we do. So you know anything we may have with a kind of uniform in our vehicle, you have like one straight stretch. Yeah, so water system are going very well. So you know the sun kind of get hot now. We get only for rainfall over there, but you know the sun kind of get hot now, so me have to do some watering. Yeah, yeah man, so it's a good look. Alright, this is a new piece, the new land now. So the line, the fence line is right here, right at this stump. So I know this is the new land. No, so the bigger pop choy the here. So then one year plant out first, you know. They test out the new land and so I go and see what it have in line for me. Yeah. I move fast cause I want the water to go catch me, you know. Yeah man. So we still have a lot more pop choy seedlings guys. So I'll make some space for them. Alright. I weigh this now. They make kinda bigger. Soon ready for harvest. Yeah. Soon ready for harvest guys. So I just saw the thing set. Yeah man, remember to subscribe if you're not new to the channel, yeah? Just give Farmer Bernard a subscription. Farmer take time develop. So that's what the vacation all about, guys. For make it 100% up there. Yeah, man. Whole heap of pop chai, you know, guys. There's a lot of pop chai, man. Yeah, man. Whole heap of pop chai from one end to the other. Yeah. So the next plan is now have to get out them bush here from right over this side, so we know say we can extend the field a little wider, because as you can see, them trees are finally dead now. Yeah, man, they're finally dead. So we can plant, prepare the place now for plant more pop chai. So I just say things set, you know. So guys, we just stay tuned for see video them on a day-to-day basic. Yeah, man. Yeah, me trendy down. Come me trendy, don't it? Yeah, man. Living the life. Yeah, living the life, guys. Vacation style, you know. Well clean in our farm, though. First, you see somebody's so clean in our farm, don't it? Yeah, man. So guys, as I say, stay tuned and just look out for your video them on a daily basic. Yeah, man. Sun kind of get hotter now, so you know what? We'll find somewhere cool. We got chill out. Yeah. So until next time, guys. I'm out.